Alright. 785. Let's fucking go. Alright, so in data by system, in GenBlit, we're just looking around because we're going to need to use GenBlit for MIP map creation eventually. In the MIPTILE top-level data, we have a MIP level exponent to diagonal offset to the data. And then we have another lookup table, MIP level exponent to the lateral offset to the data. And then we have a little sanity check here. So we have some variables here. You can pause to read them. And it's important that these three variables are initialized to what they are, because this will let us gracefully enter our loop here. So we're going to loop through every single MIP map level exponent, and we're going to calculate the expected diagonal offset by doing this kind of factorial thing, right? So the expected diagonal offset equals the expected diagonal offset plus the previous lateral offset. And then the expected lateral offset, we just continuously divide by 2 until we get to 1, right? Okay, so we want to air check what we derived against what's in the lookup tables. So the gotten diagonal offset and the gotten lateral offset, we kind of actually inverted this. Fuck. Because expected... No, actually, no. I don't know. What is expected? What is gotten, right? One's one, one's the other. Does it really fucking matter? I think we should just move on with our lives. So yeah, we're gonna just grab the values out of the lookup table and make sure that the values in the lookup table match the values that we calculated. And if they don't, we're gonna throw an error. And then we're gonna set ourselves up for the next iteration of the loop by setting the previous lateral span here, which is an arbitrary choice between these two identical numbers. Okay, down here, in GenBlit, we were just still looking around at stuff. I eventually need to write this algorithm here. In MIPTILE, we fleshed out some more algorithmic code. So we got some variable declarations here. You can pause to read those. I don't have time to read them for you. And then down here, we have calculated the tiles per axis right here, and then the tile max index right here, and then we have the basic skeleton of our MIP map creation code. Loop through every single MIP map exponent starting at 1, because we don't want to corrupt the MIP map level we made at the top level. Go through every single layer, go through the local Y, the local X, and get out the diagonal offset and the lateral offset, and then do more stuff in another video. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. I am out of time. Like and subscribe.